What's up, YouTube? It's Mr. Rose Up 2000. Today I'm going to be showing you some Lego guns. So, here we go. This one is my Lego Glock. I'll show you the sights. I think you get the picture. Okay, now I'm going to show you the trigger mechanism. Oh, wait a minute, hang on. Credit goes to Lego Gun Guy 01 for the trigger mechanism. It's easy to put back together. The Glock. Trigger moves. Good handle. This is supposed to be like a red dot sight part, but I took that off. Doesn't shoot. Yeah, it's just here for decoration. Oh crap. Alright, this is the flip video. And next, this is probably my biggest Lego gun yet. My G36. Extended barrel or muzzle, whatever. Detachable stock. The trigger, yet again, credit goes to Lego Gun Guy 01 for the mechanism. The sights. The iron sights are on the bottom, the top sights. These sights are the red dot sights, if I can find a red dot thing. Yeah. Stock, as you know already. I made a clip for it too, but the clip falls out so easily. This is the clip. Okay, gotta put it in for a minute. Yeah. There we go. Doesn't shoot. Looks like an assault rifle. Just made out of Legos. It's not bad. I'm gonna make a version 2 or an AR-15 out of Legos. So, peace out, YouTube. This has been Mr. Rose Up 2000.